So today's video is basically cleaning the bike after it being stuck in the garage for a month and doing some checks you should do. So the first thing I'm going to do really is tyre pressures, see if they're right. I suppose they've probably gone down a bit. Right, so instructions were 1.7 front, 180 bar back. I'm going to put a bit more than that, as a bit of air does escape when I take it off. So it's 130 right now. It's gone down a lot. Right, that's that. Right then, so the plan of the day is to get this bike ready for the spring and summer weather, like most of us, I suppose. It's time of year when it's no longer icy. It's, I would say it's starting to get warm. It's not, it's what, 7 degrees right now. But it's the time of year that we want to look after our bikes again after neglecting them during the winter months. 5 minutes, 1.99. It's pretty decent. How do you pay? Right, let's just have a look. So, tokens only. Right. Let's go and get some tokens. Right, so that's a result. I just turned off my camera there. The guy just came and spoke to me. He says he's done. He's still got a couple of minutes left, but I can jump in and use some of his time. So I'm grateful for that, but it's spitting and it's starting to rain. Should I? Yeah, let's just do it. Right. Ready, aim, fire. Yeah, so I know why this guy said to me, yeah, use my minutes. It's because the pressure. What is that? Is that luckily it's lost pressure just when I'm polishing it, just at the end, but that is not good. Right, most important thing really, turn the engine on. Perfect. Is it going to continue raining? Right, first thing really, clean these mirrors. Best thing here is to do it really, really slowly. Perfect. I can't believe how clean my mirrors are. Believe it or not, we are still in lockdown, and you wouldn't think so. I mean, hey, I'm out and about just because it's my essential duty to provide videos. Look at this. Crazy. Oh, what is he doing? You cannot turn, it's a diversion. I should have anticipated that. I mean, I did anticipate it. Note to everyone, if you're watching this, for tips on how to drive. if you see someone going to make a mistake like that guy that was going to turn right when a road was closed, just lay back, let him realise and let him continue instead of trying to compete to turn into the same place at the same time. Yeah. Tell you what, I'll take you guys to a little village called Wansford. Yeah, that'll be a nice joyride. 40, 60! Wait, no, this is a 125. It doesn't accelerate! 43, 44. Ah, it's nice to be back. Welcome to Wansford. There you go, that's a sign. So, yeah, this is a lovely village. Thank you, you are welcome. Even though I thought them speedometers don't really track motorbikes. But yeah, again, stone village and a lovely bridge to practice your giveaways. You'll see that in a moment. Just correct on my camera. I think there's a hotel just there. Yeah. So that there is the hotel. I've been inside. It's really nice actually. But yeah, Wansford. It's a lovely little village. That's, hey, if you can, visit it. How good am I, hey? Giving you first-hand experience and as a tour guide of local and quaint villages. So this is the A47. Hopefully I can give this bike some good revs. It's got 4 bars in the hot to low gauge, so it can get hotter, and that's the mission. Another thing, this bike doesn't tell you what gear you're in, so if in doubt, just keep on kicking upwards until you know you're in 6th gear. I have an awkward thing, you probably saw me do it with the car just back there, is when they actually, when they don't try to kill me, I say thank you for not just jumping that junction. I'm a motorbike, I'm hard to spot, but thank you for spotting me. Thank you for not pulling out, causing an accident and my unfortunate untimely death. Yeah, maybe that's just me. I mean, you always, and this is just the rule of thumb really, you have to say thank you, well not thank you, say hello to a motorbike or motorist coming the opposite direction. It'd be weird saying thank you really. But yeah, I say thank you to cars that don't kill me. I wish I could accelerate faster. This bad boy, I mean, I don't know, gone down hills to try and get see how fast it goes. It barely touches 70. Just goes above 70. No, that's almost impossible. But the hardest thing really for me on this bike is overtaking and accelerating. I don't know, I mean, this is the only 125 I've ridden. But let's say we're on this is a dual carriageway. We've just got one lane and there's a car that's going slower than a 125 or I don't know, a lorry.
I could not overtake that quickly. Especially if it's a lorry. Like, I am dying inside. So there I am going 62, 63, 62, 63. It's not going faster. The problem with that is you've got to wish no car's coming. You've got to time it right. But yeah, that is the issue. I'm awfully quiet right now. My hands are freezing. God only knows. It's been a good ride. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit a like on the video, subscribe, that would help me a lot. I'm just new to this. Give me a break. But thank you for watching my videos. Last video did quite great actually. So yeah, I hope you come back and watch more. Thank you. Red light, stop.